Alrighty. Okay. Hey, Crazy Cuties. Welcome back. Today's video is the Bestie Collab with my bestie. Now is Christine. So excited. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this content. Also, if you'll be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. Okay. I am so excited. I am so excited because I get to play the Witch City Salem palette from Nomad Cosmetics. Oh my gosh. This is what we're going to do. Yes. We decided to use this palette. This is actually my first time trying this palette out, so I know how Nomad Cosmetics works because I have 3 other ones from them and I really love this formula. So I am not going to do like a review because I feel like it's kind of overdone if I know how the formula is. Well, this is a new formula, blah, blah, blah. But yes, so I'm very excited. I like this. Like, I love it. Like, oh, it's pretty. And then it gets dark, like all the witches. Like, so I decided to do something a little bit different. I'm actually just going to go out of my comfort zone because usually when I play with colors, I kind of like go in monochromatic looks. Like I kind of like, oh, okay, purple. I just want to use just purple shades or anything like that. But I actually really want to get out of my comfort zone with this because I just want to do something different. Of course, I use my Beauty Creations eyeshadow primer. I love this stuff. And I'm just in my lazy clothes today because I just want to be in my lazy clothes today. I'm not going anywhere anyway. If I am, then I am. But I'm just in my lazy clothes. Take a look at me in my PJs. But do I care? No. Yeah. So I'm gonna use spirits and spells on this as a transition shade. It I really do like this. I like how it's warm to cool to neutral shades in here. That's the fun about this palette. I really like the how it's like a very Halloween look. Like the greens and the oranges and the I mean I love this palette already. Ooh. Oh wow. I'm just focusing more of the color right here. And I'm just lightly just doing that. Gonna go back to the same brush just to blend that in. Going back with that first transition shade. Why not? Let's make it really whatever this look is. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I like it. Okay, so different. So use some eyeliner. That kind of looks even. I like doing like baby wings like that because you can't tell if I messed up or not. Ugh. Then we use mascara. That works, does it not? Okay. I'll be right back with the finished look. This is the finished look. I love it. I love it so much. I really do enjoy this palette very much. I'm so glad I got it. I have to get the other ones that they had, like the Hunting Europe, the Ghost Town one. I really want those palettes because I like very I like very unique eyeshadow palettes. But like I said, I'm so glad I got this palette because I get to play with it even more and come up with some cool freaking looks for you guys. But yeah, I cannot wait to see what Christine had come up with. She always does beautiful looks. I really cannot wait to see. But yeah, so make sure you check her out. I will have her channel down below so you can check her out and make sure you subscribe to her. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.